starting.
What?
We're cooking.
Over here.
I'm claustrophobic. We're cooking pizza.
That's pizza. I can't. Does anyone know sign language?
What does it say? Do you know sign language? Tap me if you know sign language. We're cooking.
Okay, what? Calm. Hold it.
Cook!
Cook? Okay.
Settings, different settings. What are we making?
Okay, I'm just gonna text you. You want to talk to me? Put your tap me. I need a plate.
Is this the working one?
Can someone tell me where the plates are?
Does that mean yes? No.
Can you point where the
Tap
plates
me
are?
if it's yes. I'm so scared.
These are bowls.
Other side.
These are bowls.
Other side.
Other side. That's. No.
Show the dishwasher.
Oh, okay.
Is the working one? Which one? Start it.
I can't pull it out. That's what she said.
Guys.
She's about to whack you with a pan.
Oh, I need. Oh God, it's knife time.
Oh wait, instructions. That's right. Oh, it's on the side.
Owen, do you know how to use the air fryer? Help him.
Yeah. I don't know.
Here's me using a knife very correctly.
Do you need help cutting anything? Just nod your head yes or no. Just, no? Okay. How do I
don't know. I'm
eat
gonna
this?
cut them the whole song.
Neither do I. Okay. Oh, thank you. Okay, so nobody use the microwave because I'm preheating it right now.
Are you doing microwave? Is he doing microwave?
Is it whatever it says? Preheat the oven to 375. I did that.
It's on.
Okay, wait. It should be. Yeah. I don't know.
Did you press start?
I didn't.
Press start.
Start.
Is it oven? Is it on? Tap if yes.
Oh.
I didn't grab the spring roll.
Are they supposed to go into the pan or the pot?
Pan!
Okay. I get quiet when there's no one else around. I want to sing the song. Does this thing make a noise when it's done preheating? I just shook her head, yeah, so I'm gonna take a while to get this again.
Where's the shrimp? Shrimp! Shrimp!
Did you say shrimp? Alright! Do you think this will give us extra credit?
Better give us. Hey, Mr. Moore, I want Eagle Bucks. 30!
Good job.
I was gonna say maybe don't eat raw shrimp.
She actually hit me with a bag of shrimp.
Is this the water? Ah! I need to cut an avocado?
Oh, you're gonna cut the avocados for her.
Aww. We should make out. I'm so scared.
Shut
Shut up!
How long does this thing take to preheat?
How is it doing, everyone? Am I allowed to check? Will you guys get mad at me if I check? Tap if you will get mad. If I'm tap if I'm allowed to check.
She take the Montenegro.
What the fuck?
Is it preheating? I'm not sure.
You didn't turn it on.
What?
You didn't turn it on.
What's
it supposed to be at?
You're the one who turned it on.
No, I didn't. I'm blind. I just stuck my hand in the pan to check if they were ready. They're not.
They're not ready. Oh.
Okay, this part's not gonna matter because it's not gonna be physical.
I don't know what you're trying to do, so you can't. Are you just eating cheese? What? Oh yes, she's eating cheese. A block of cheese. So you look the fridge. Is that gonna make the good go in there? It's.
No. Where's the oven?
Oh, that works.
Put it on.
Put them on?
Yeah.
The pizzas.
And then.
Okay.
Oh wait, my shrimp! Give me handle. Handle.
Handle?
A pot.
Oh, a pot. I don't know.
Give me the pot.
This?
I can't stand it down. Down.
What?
Put it back.
Put it back.
Elowen, can you please grab the pot? Put it under the sticky. Oh, well, microwave, grab hand thing.
Sorry, we can't find them.
Is it cooked? Is it pink? Is it pink? What color? Oh, you're mute. Color!
What?
What color? Color!
Color?
Yeah!
The white minority.
Is it raw? I thought they were pre-cooked. You know, I don't want to die. I'm cheating. These are cooked.
How am I supposed to know if shrimp's cooked?
They're pink.
Casual while you're scared.
Cooked? Like,
Does anybody else suck it?
are they cooked? Underneath, are they crispy? Tap them. Are they okay?
It's the roll thingy. Yeah. Okay. I don't know.
Tortillas.
I heard your.
That's a whole different ethnicity.
Oh, rice.
Let's go to the beach. Let's go get away.
I
They
hate
say
gay
what they're
people.
gonna say. Have a drink.
They're
drink,
so
have
annoying.
fun.
Hey, what are you guys doing with the wontons?
They're pot stickers, you
are they?
uncultured asshole. Sorry, Mr. Moore. Butt turd.
Starships were meant to fly.
I don't speak.
I was-
God, fucking freak. Oh, you could hear me. I forgot. Sorry.
I'm deaf.
Wait. Why is he acting like we don't know that?
Listen to Ashnigo before hot to go.
No one cares. Oh wait, he can't hear me.
Why'd you stick your tongue out at me? After, and that's after the song. That one's
I can
good.
feel you.
That one's good. Sorry. I'm sorry. I scared myself.
All of us got scared.
Like a little rotten fruit.
What happened?
Oh, are you okay? Are you? Oh, you.
What happened?
I think she hit her.
Casualties in the
Is
kitchen.
that- Okay. Yes, let Mama kiss and make it feel better.
He's actually special needs.
Yeah, sure. Fuck off.
Did you hear me?
It's 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm so glad you guys didn't see me, but the camera did.
I can't see you. Is he dumb?
HOTTOGO. You
Yeah,
Bring.
HOTTOGO. You can take me out. Get your number.
My big back's happy. Where's sausage?
Hot to go. Leave me alone.
Nice.
What?
I also.
Sauce? Sauce. Oh.
You dropped something.
Got it.
Really?
Nah, man.
Clean, give. Give. Where's the sauce holder?
You put it off the counter.
It's on the floor.
I think.
Yeah, is it? Do you pick it up?
You-
I can't pick it up.
Elowen, I have to be your like guide. I have to like interpret it for you. Yeah. And you're blowing smoke in my mouth. I heard a knock up on my door the other day. I opened it to find it staring in my face. You're looking directly at Elowen. No more. I almost touched the pan. I I almost touched a pan. My hand slightly missed it. What, are you eating soy sauce?
It's not soy sauce.
Good? Yay.
Okay. Welcome back.
God, I'm so gay. Oh my god.
Can you stop being gay for 1 minute?
What? You're talking to me like I can fucking hear you.
Die!
Oh, you spilled it. I'm joking. I'm like the boy who cried wolf.
I thought you were listening to Five Nights at Freddy's music. I got really happy.
You're still talking to me like I could hear you.
I'm not!
Crash out. Right under the tip.
Okay, Ellen, you can go set your food somewhere, okay? So that you don't carry it around the whole time.
Odd direction. Ellen's the other way.
You can go put your food somewhere.
Oh, I have 30 seconds. Let's go.
30 seconds and then we can take our stuff off because I'm done with my food.
And
And he just didn't?
Oh!
No.
How do I get it open? How do I get it open? Okay, fuck off. Alright. Unlock.
It's hot. Hot. Ow, 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 hot.
Get
Hot.
Jazzy on the flight that you get on. I get it. Hot. Also, they look so burnt.
Are they burnt?
I don't know. I can't really tell. They look burnt though. Are they?
Are we done? Can we be finished?
Can we? Yeah, technically we are, so.
And that is the end of the first one because we actually did 2. And we had to separate them into 2 different videos because they were filmed on 2 different devices. But that one we made spring rolls, pot stickers, and 2 mini pizzas. And this time we are making soba noodles and some other stuff. I hope you've enjoyed this so far. I hope we've earned Eagle Bucks, Mr. Moore. And now we are switching. August is going to be deaf. Elowen is going to be blinded, and Aiden is going to be mute. So, let's get into it, and thank you for watching. I'm deafened. I'm scared. Elowen's blinded. And Aiden's muted. We're making soba noodles.
I'm gonna die. I'm so scared, dude.
Are all 3 of us having soba noodles?
Yes.
Cool. Am I loud? Okay.
No,
so
you're like normal.
I'll put it down. Okay, y'all gotta do something.
I literally don't know where anything is, dog. I'm useless.
You're beautiful. I'll kiss you.
I can't. Light sizzle.
Always make sure to wash your hands after you touch them.
I've never felt like a rock more in my entire life than I do now.
Okay.
Shut up!
So
I'm so scared, guys. There's a sizzling hot pan. Pan is hot over.
Good.
I'm gonna kill myself. How do blind people do it, dude? I would be such an awful blind person. I'd be pretty good. I'm blind. Why am I blind?
Okay. Get back to work.
What? Whoa.
Maybe, oh my gosh, guys, you'll have to give me a thumbs up if you like this idea. We make a cake later and we all switch yet again where I'm mute, you're deaf, and
Yes!
you're
You're you.
blinded. You're blinded!
Yay! Why are we so excited?
Welcome to my house.
Dude,
This
I've been
is
to your house
Aiden's
so many
first
times,
time ever
and
coming to
I'm
my
freaking
house.
incompetent. I need to come out of the
Out now.
I
Wait, you want to say hi to Mr. Moore?
my playthrough was gonna.
Also, I'm the one who edits the videos.
Yes, you know.
Alright, and that is the end of the second one. Most of it was very boring, so I just sped it all up because it's just us cooking. Well, it's just me cooking, really, because they don't know my kitchen. But the second one, we were making a cake, and we all switched again. So, please give us equal bucks, dude. Please. Welcome back to the next video. We're making cake.
I'm blinded.
I have a huge headache from the music from the last one. I better get like 100 equal bucks.
This is gonna be our hear me out cake later. Okay, blindfold is on. What? Oh. I hate this already. I hate this.
Okay.
What is this? Oh, trash.
You're so quirky. You're such a good young man. What's happening over here?
No, wait, don't leave me. Don't leave. I don't speak. Hear me out. Hi, are you the one caressing my back? What is that?
Huh?
Chocolate.
It's awful.
It is off my head. I swear to God, if you put ice on me in any way, Oh wait, that
If you like, he wants to mix.
Can I mix?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, guide me. What do you mean no?
Huh? Oh, I think. Bro's measuring something and muttering.
You can't. And muttering. I love you too, August. Anyway. Who's caressing me? Is that you, August?
You're cowering and nobody's around you. It is just me.
Okay, you I hate this, you guys. No wonder. August, you actually thrived during this. I think I thrived more during the mute. I swear to God, I will fall to the ground.
Circle.
Sorry that it ended so abruptly, but I don't have the video of the cake, and I'm very tired. I literally put 1 hour and like 40 minutes into 20 minutes for you.
Okay.
Okay. Not for you.
We're cooking.
You know, I'm not putting this on you. Yada yada.
Pizza.
But I worked really hard on this, and it was very fun to do. And
That's pizza. I get your shit.
we love Eagle Bucks because, like you said, you'd give us.
Does anyone know sign language?
What does it say?
You.
Do you know sign language?
So you gotta like hold it up. We did 3 whole times, so like whatever you were
Give me a
thinking. Divide
thumb.
by. No,
Tap me
no,
if you know sign
no.
language.
Multiply by 3.
Okay, what? I can't see anything.
But here are some
pizza.
of the end
Yeah, you're
products
opening it.
of
What about it?
the 2 first ones. I hope you enjoyed it.
Oh.
This looks like it's gonna give it. I'm blinded. We got our delicious, delectable food, Deluxe.
Meow.
I know how y'all feel.
Yeah.
Hooray! It's finally over. Thank you for watching.